rain, 50% chance of rain. And I've just got in my car, and just as I was setting off, it starts to spit a little bit. I'm going to the shop and I am filming, and I've got out 25 minutes later than planned, but I'm not feeling great and I'm struggling with leaving the house. I'm glad I've put my waterproof jacket on. It took me ages to decide what to put on, because it's saying it's like 13 degrees, feels like 10, humidity like 80, and I'm like, what is it? Because sometimes when it's like really cold and it's humid, it's hot. God, it is raining. I'm also filming because obviously I'm scared to death of seeing someone, the very someone who I thought had something to do with the banging on the door this morning. I've still got a migraine. It has eased off. Do you know what, before I came out I was meant to do another dose of ibuprofen. I'm not due, but sometimes doing that helps. As I was getting ready to set off, the next door neighbour came out, and I had my head down and I could see her, and I thought, I'm not looking up. She doesn't get me in long conversations, she's just permanently grumpy. Oh God, my head is hurting. The dog's behind me. She insisted on coming, then she thought I was going for a dog walk. But she always does that. Every time I try and put her in the car, she tries to walk off. Why are you not indicating? I bet you're going left. You could be going right, actually. Yeah, you're going right because you just indicated. I want to be home by 3, but it's like nearly past. So we'll see. Hopefully I will. God, my head is hurting. I mean, what is the rain doing? Is it going to rain? Because it's stopped. Oh, what's with this traffic? Is this to do with school traffic? Because I don't think I've ever driven down here when it's 2:30. Or is there some roadworks? Or is there a learner driver that instructors brought them on a road that they shouldn't be on? Has anyone ever been behind the learner driver for ages, and like you might be on a busy main road and you're thinking, why is the instructor but the learner driver on here when it's really busy and they're obviously not coping with the road? Is the temporary lights up? If there is, I'm not coming back this way. Are you alright? You only go and shop, you know. It's flipping roadworks. Right. back this way. Is the temporary lights on? Because there's no traffic coming up this way. Why didn't my dad tell me? Does my dad come on this road? I'm going to ask him when I speak to him. See, I don't like sitting around on this road because I'm scared of seeing someone. And like the longer I'm on this road, the more I'm feeling more panicked. Like I can feel my heart racing because it's just making me feel really panicked. I'm guessing there's temporary lights on, I can't see, but the fact that we're not moving. Now there's traffic coming up. I'm definitely not coming back this way, especially when it's going to be school traffic time. It's got to be temporary lights. The fact we're stopped and there's traffic coming the other way. So I'm not going to come back this way. Watch me forget. That'd be typical of me. Oh, I know which way I'm going to come. Although it depends on where these roadworks are because we've not even got to them. But if they're before where I think I'm going to go, then I'll go that way. If not, there's other routes I can do. I think there is lights because in the distance I can see one of those, do you know, the triangle signs with the traffic lights on. Definitely on a red light. God, they're not many through, are they? I'm sure they just let more up this way. I don't even know where the lights are, so I don't know if we're going to make it through these lights. Let's hope we do. Where does it start? I mean, I've not even got to the bloody roadworks. Like, where are they? I'm actually partially blocking a street. I should have stopped, but I didn't know we were stopping. And there's a car now coming down and they're probably going to get annoyed at me. The car in front of me could literally move forward at least half a car space, and they're choosing not to. Probably because they know I'm blocking the flipping road. What's going on? Lights are green. Come on, set off. This is probably why no one's getting through. still not actually at where the roadworks are happening. Now I am. So I can go the way I want to go. Although let's see how far the traffic's backed up, because on the way back I would turn, like I can see where I would turn to go back. But if the traffic's back for really far back, I'm not going to come this way at all. So I'll see. Isn't it ironic? Literally get through the temporary lights and now I'm... Oh, I've stopped again, but we're going. If the traffic's backed up really far away, I'm not going to even attempt to come back. Oh, it is. Yeah, we're not going to come back this way at all. I'm going to go in the opposite direction to come back on myself, but away from this road. Why can't they do the roadworks at night time when there's, like, it's not as busy? By the time I get to the shop, it's going to be about 22. Oh, this is a fun trip to the shop. No, it's not. I wish I knew about those roadworks. So how long's the roadworks going to be there for? I'm asking you like you're going to tell me. I'm going to find out to make sure I don't go that way tomorrow. Food Shop Friday. And if I were about to run out of stuff, I wouldn't be going to the shop now. I'd be waiting for tomorrow, because obviously tomorrow's tomorrow. Obviously. The traffic is all the way backed up. Like, I am glad that I've realised this. Oh my god, it really is. Oh my god. Yeah, don't go that way. That's crazy. God, I'm not going that way at all. It's all the way down here. Literally went round the corner super slow, so the person who was waiting to get out could go out. Do they go out? No, they don't go out. How much room do you need to get your car out? God, I nearly said I need the toilet. Oh, I could have gone in the space. I didn't. I'll go in this one. God, that just took me 15 minutes. I think it would be worse going back, just because school traffic, and I think some of that is school traffic, parents like going to the schools, but it'll get worse. Does my hair look bright? Do you know what, I noticed it before. I used the toning shampoo, I used it the other day, but I left it on for 10 minutes yesterday and it's definitely toned it. It's a blue shampoo. By the way, if you ever use blue shampoos, don't use it every time you wash your hair, because your hair will snap. Some people use it once a week. I have used it twice. I used it Saturday. Did I wash my hair Saturday? Or Sunday? One of those days. Didn't look this bright. In my pocket, is that tissues? I'm gonna have to go straight into the shop. I don't have time to mess around.